This is a DFSK 65 reg, done 23,000 miles from new. When we took it in, it had got a gearbox noise, and we had an engine and a gearbox out of a vehicle that had done 34 miles from new. It was rolled when it was like 1 day old, and we've had that engine and gearbox sitting on the shelf for ages. So what we've done is we've dropped the engine and gearbox out of this, put that engine and gearbox in this vehicle. So you've got a 23,000 mile vehicle with an engine and gearbox that's done 34 miles. If you look on eBay, you'll see these for sale up to 12. So there's one on there at about £14,000. Now we're looking for 10 grand for this, plus that. It is a really nice truck. You can see you're not going to get anything like this for that sort of money anywhere. Let me just show you the inside. Now this is the non-serve side. So you've got all that spare stock there. GAH chiller on it. Everspacher heater and an Everspacher hand wash there. We'll go to the serve side. That's the warming cabinet, and that's all chilled. A vehicle like this could easily take £700 a day in the right conditions. So it should come with a 30-day back-to-base warranty. Now that back-to-base warranty means that if anything goes wrong, you bring it back to us at your expense and we repair it. We don't pay third-party bills. This is a very, very cheap truck for somebody. This is the big cab version as well, which means that anybody of any size can actually get in and drive it. There's a little bit of wear on the driver's seat. On this side here, they just go a little bit soggy on this side. The interior needs cleaning. As you can see, that's the miles on it. It's done 3.2 miles with the engine it's got in it. We will be road testing it a bit further, so the engine and box will be done about 80 miles by the time you actually take delivery of it, if you decide to come for it. This one's got a spare battery in the back as well, help it out. And that's the vehicle.